My name's Luke and I come from Ireland and I've been living in Guangxi for 8 years.
My name's Alex. I've lived in Guangxi now for nearly 6 years. We started these videos just last year and it's gained lots of traction. I think people like them just because of how raw and unedited and unfiltered they are.
You're seeing the true China. We've been to America, Europe, all of Europe, parts of America, parts of Africa, Australia, nearly Southeast Asia, all around. Like, we fell in love with Guangxi. That's why we stayed, you know. And when you come to Guangxi, I think it's a very unexplored place for like a foreigner.
Coming to China is like downloading a new map in a video game where you're exploring this whole world with massive cities that you've never even heard of, and it's just very cool.
So in terms of Guangxi itself, we see there is a huge industry in like rock climbing. Like, they have some of the biggest and best mountains for rock climbing in the world. Guilin's absolutely loaded with them, yeah?
Yeah, and everything's action-packed as well. You've got the rafting here, you've got rock climbing, you've got kayaking on the rivers. There's so many like fun little things you can do, along with the beautiful scenery as well. So that's what we really like about this place.
So we're trying to promote the activity travel in Guangxi, like with the kayaks. So we go kayaking all the time, cycling all the time, because it doesn't matter where you are, you always have these opportunities to do these things.
When we first started, we just were filming lots of different random things, but then eventually we started to realize that people liked watching us when we were traveling to different places. They were the most popular things. And then I think we started to realize that Guangxi actually has a lot more to offer the world than what we initially realized. When you go and experience it, there's actually lots to do. And every week we're just discovering more and more and more. So it's fun for us to do, and the people like watching it.
We've been working here for 8 years working as teachers. And this year we decided to take 1 year off, do the videos, and try and promote Guangxi. And you have all the different minority ethnic groups. I feel like we need to learn about them and promote them, to be honest. We've built a big fan base and every one of them is helping us. They've been writing to us. We read them and we take their opinions, and then we'll be able to learn more and more and more about Guangxi and China, the whole of China.
Exactly. And the more we learn, the more we can understand maybe a route you can take throughout Guangxi that we could show to the rest of the world. And it'd be good for tourism here.